I say, it's sorry for the wind. So my address is on the top, so I'm not really going to show you that. But this is a lug nuts, pack of lug nuts I bought off of Amazon. That's how they come. They actually put the shipping label on the top. So they came like this. They look a little bit different than the factory ones, but these are solid. If it's chrome capped, they're just going to flake away eventually as you rotate your tires and all that. So really there's never a good lug nut you can get for looks, even if you get the nice impact that takes them off. But yeah, this is just how they come. Still 3/4, and I'm going to be putting them on a 2018 Malibu, only because I lost one. So I'm going to replace the ones I have on here with these. They're all going to be shiny. Yeah, it's a little bit shiny. So I screwed that on with my hand. I'm going to torque that one with my torque wrench to 100 foot-pounds, inch-pounds, whichever it is. Car probably rolls a little bit more than normal because it's actually a tow car and it's hooked up right now. Now, instead of just having one shiny, I'm going to take them all out. I'm only going to take 2 off at a time. That way the wheel don't do anything crazy on me. Then I'm going to keep them others for extras. I'll show you guys what the old ones look like compared to the new ones after I get all these replaced. I never noticed how bad my old ones looked until I replaced these now. Listening for that little click. Do not use the impact to put them on. I'll have a link in the description of these. They were 20 bucks, so $1 a piece, which I don't see that being too bad at all. Okay, I'll show you guys the difference between the old ones and the new ones. I think that looks good, and you can do that same thing to each tire if you're replacing them. So here's my original. These have lasted 500,000 miles. We're just coming up on 500,000 miles. This is kind of like a pop can that is crimped over just a normal metal bolt. And mine look like crap because I rotate every single month. I put 10,000 miles on a month, and I just used the wrong socket accidentally because I used a flip socket and it was flipped wrong and took them off. And if it didn't take them off, I would have noticed. I put a little bit of grease in them because I don't want them to strip out or get welded on there. But then here's the new one. Yeah, it looks pretty good, but right there is it in all the way. But these are also chrome covered. Kind of like if you got gold plated jewelry. If you chip it, it's not gold underneath. Guess what? This isn't chrome underneath. Don't know what color it is underneath. But the look is a little bit different on the end. I'm actually going to put these in upside down because if I ever lose them or buy a car that has no tires on it, I'll use them. But I like the look of the new ones. They're pretty shiny. I don't think you'd ever notice the difference as soon as they get dirty because they're in there pretty far. But maybe your Traverse or something like that takes them. These also say they fit a Ford Focus and Fusion. The specs on them are M12 by 1.25, I think. It'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching.